Good morning, everyone. I'm standing outside my cabin. It is raining in Oconee County, South Carolina, and I'm doing water harvesting. So I have a 275-gallon water container. Down here is the electrical pump. Runs off 12 volts. Okay, hooked up to a battery bank inside my cabin. So I don't know how much rain we're going to get, but it's got a filter up there, and then there's a filter down here. So it what the top filter doesn't catch, the bottom one will. So anyway, it's been working pretty good. I do have another one over there underneath my carport, okay? And right now my main tank works pretty well for me, but I'm going to be having some family members coming this summer to visit, so that'll be 5 more people with water needs. So I have a hose down here, and I have a 12-volt pump over by my backup tank, so I'll be pumping water using this hose right here from the reserve tank. So I'll do that when necessary. But just in case you decide to live off grid, you know, you learn something new. Have a great day. Okay. Okay. Maybe later.